let me tell you all about these LED under the cabinet lights that I was sent for my review. And these things are really cool and so adaptable because you can customize length, and I'll show you that in just a second. Now, they do come in 10, 15, and 20 inches. I do have two of them right there. This is the 10 and this is the 20 inch. Really, really nice, well built. Love the weight on them as well. Super slim and very modern looking as well. They do come with these magnets with the 3M tape in the back, and the magnet works extremely well. And as you can see, you'll be seeing in the B-roll where we actually installed it under the cabinet, it is literally hidden under that cabinet. You can't really see the light, but boy, do you see that LED light coming out of it. And the thing that I love the most about this is that you can customize the actual combinations of different LED lights if you have multiple like I do right now. So check this out. I can actually take this part out and it's going to connect. And of course, you've got the USB-C right here that is rechargeable. So you recharge these things. I'm going to show you right there. I've got the single one here, and I took out the cap, and I can literally just join them together and make one long one, and they're fully customizable in terms of power, of course, in terms of intensity, in terms of color temperature as well, which I really like. And I'll show you that in just a second. I'm going to turn them on both. So one is on and the other one, and I wanted to show you both different color lights. Very, very cool. So you've got the cool and the warm tone, of course. And the nice thing too is that it comes with a nice press button remote. And I've actually paired it already, very easy to pair. There's a pair button on each of them. And I can literally, and let me show you right there. I'm gonna turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, and turn it off just by a press of a button. I think it's pretty cool. And again, you could have them connected just like that. And again, just like this. Or each of them come with their own remote, and you can pair them with the different remotes. Of course, they don't have to be connected together, or even if they are connected together, you can still simultaneously, or I should say separately, control their intensity and control the on and off, obviously. If I hold the button, and I'll show you this right now, if I hold the button, it will, just like that, there you go, it'll go up in intensity. I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to turn it back on, and I'm going to press and hold, and it's going to, look at that, just slowly dim itself, super, super low. And I believe the next time we turn it on, it should be the same intensity. So there you go. It does memorize the last intensity you put it on. So I'm going to actually hold this time and bring it all the way at its brightest. And now we're good to go. So nice. It looks, as you can see in the video, very, very nice. It looks, again, like I said, modern, unique. It adds a really nice touch to your kitchen, maybe to a studio, maybe to an office space as well. You can really put that anywhere at all, and it does provide really nice, really nice added light, or just practical effect lighting as well, which we're a big fan of here. So yeah, highly recommend these things.